Hello, welcome back to another episode of Wazzy Watches. I'm spreading Deadite awareness, as apparently that is what they're now called, according to Evil Dead 2. And today we're going to be watching Army of Darkness, which is the final film in the original trilogy of Evil Dead movies before, obviously, next week we start the remake and its sequel. So Ash has ended up in an alternate timeline where he just shot some sort of bat creature out of the sky and everyone is cheering him as the hero from the sky! The hero from the sky! And now we're just kind of going to see where this takes us in regards to how he gets home. Or is he trapped there now? Oh, God. Well, I mean, this is the remastered edition anyway, so... well. Renaissance pictures. Get it? Why? I thought he was a hero. Why are we starting with him in chains?
I had a real life once. A job.
Bloody hell.
Shop smart, shop S-smart.
I had a wonderful girlfriend, Linda.
Yeah, that didn't go well.
Together we drove to a small cabin in the mountains.
I mean, she definitely had longer hair than this.
Necronomicon Ex Mortis. The book of the...
The book looks different in every movie.
was never meant for the world of the living. The book awoke something...
I love how they used the original... the thing from the last movie, so the book looked different twice then already. At least this bit was the same. Although... oh, there's her body on the floor as well, so yeah, they've just reused this bit. Bruce Campbell. Army of Darkness. So not Evil Dead 3 Army of Darkness, just Army of Darkness. How would people know to have associated this with Evil Dead then at the time? Yep, and there's the car getting absolutely trashed. Well, this is a little bit different because he opened his eyes to everyone's heads over him.
The hell?
Where's his grey streak gone?
I'm not looking for any trouble.
Attacking his vehicle.
He who's prophesied to fall from the heavens and deliver us from the terrors of the Deadites.
To the pit with him! I shall soon learn the hard...
Okay, so he's not killed a bat creature this time around? Okay. So each one has started differently to how the last one ended.
It'll be fun, mate.
You take that, he'll be needing that.
Have a taste of this!
Oh, he has got a grey streak. It's there. It's on the wrong side, though, isn't it? He was on the other side. I swallow your soul, I swallow your soul, I swallow your soul. It's a very poor place to have a castle. If someone comes out pissed and they just like trip over the edge, go for a piss over the edge and just fall. I don't think you can afford to be throwing bread at people.
But last night he fell in battle to Duke Henry's men.
Oh no.
That's a murderer! The black murderer!
You don't even know him! Not think anything about the fact that he's... Think anything about the fact that he's not in their clothes. I think he's the only one not in actual army clothes. Or colours. Is she supposed to be, like, someone looking familiar? She does look familiar.
Who are you? Who wants to know?
Him! He's asking.
You ain't leading but two things right now. Jack and shit. And Jack left town.
I came here to kick ass and chew bubblegum. I'm all out of bubblegum.
There is an evil awakened in this.
Oh, he's got a Courtney Cox fringe from Scream 3. Oh.
May God have mercy upon your souls.
Is there Deadites in that pit? Why are they called Deadites? What made them come up with that name? Because they're dead? But sprites? I just thought they were demons.
No!
I mean, he jumped. He definitely jumped. Oh! Blood geezer.
He's escaping!
He's like, I'm not getting in that pit. I'm not getting in that pit. You have to go away. Through the shield? Well, what kind of shitty shields are them then? What kind of shitty armor is that an arrow goes through it?
Wait a minute. You gotta understand, man. I never even saw.
I didn't think he'll listen, lad.
Damn it, Henry, you son of a bitch. Oh, there's some skellies. That was a bit mean pushing him in like that, like. Yeah, this is like a more extreme version of the close your eyes, open your eyes situation you had going on in the first movie. This is very different. Winding up the punches doesn't make them any stronger.
He says spikes, Stephen, spikes!
Oh, that's tight.
Make way! Strange one!
Give him his chainsaw. No. Yep. Now what? Grab the rope and let it bring you up. Oh, there's more in there. Oh, okay. That one was just waiting for its turn. Grab the rope and get taken up. Obvious. Yep. I mean, just slide the boot off. We'll get you some nice new boots. Lift your legs. Lift your legs. Oh, they got crushed. They got crushed.
You know your shoelace is untied.
He's not wearing shoelaces. He's in metal shoes. What a dumbass.
You want some more?
He didn't want some more. He didn't get any in the first place.
You want a little?
You want some? I'll give it you. Does anyone remember him? I mean, yeah, you're laughing now. You're laughing now, but I mean, one of you guys did get absolutely geezered into blood. That was me. Just take the sword.
I shall see you dead.
Well, you just tried.
This is my boomstick. That's right. Shop smart. Shop S-Mart.
You're not in work now. How was that one not crushed? That was badass. Why would you want to go back home if this is how you're being treated?
First you want to kill me, now you want to kiss me. Blow.
What the hell's blow? What the hell is blow?
I don't want your bullshit. Just send me back to my own time. Pronto, today.
The hell was that? Oh, okay. Who was that? Yep. If there's one thing I've learned, it's you don't get close to them.
It's a trick. Get an axe.
Yeah. At least he was smart enough to know.
Yo, she-bitch.
She-bitch.
Let's go.
That's why all the catchphrases all of a sudden. Everybody wants kung fu fighting.
If the Necronomicon fell into the hands of the Deadites, all mankind will be consumed by...
I mean, technically isn't the Necronomicon the Deadites book? Or is it just like a thing? Going on a quest. And in building him a hand.
Groovy.
Groovy. Groovy, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah. Everything's so groovy.
What's the matter? You raised in a barn? Shut the door.
He's a bit more assholey in this, isn't he? Is he like, I've been through enough that I deserve to be an asshole?
Only reason I'm going to get the book is to get home.
Yeah, I don't care about you and your problems. That is your problems.
Your primitive intellect wouldn't understand alloys and compositions and things with molecular structures in the...
Like...
Give me some sugar, baby.
Give me some sugar, baby. Add some sugar to that salty slap. Sweet and sour. At least I don't have to cover up the boobs because she's doing that herself. And now they're in love after all of 5 minutes. We are the knights who say ni. Heroic.
You must recite the words Klaatu, Verata, Nikto.
Already forgot it.
Klaatu, Verata, Nikto.
Again!
I got it! I got it!
I forgot him. I forgot him.
After that, I'm history.
Technically, you are history because you were on the pages of the Necronomicon. Or was you on the pages? Yeah, you were. Why do horses have manes? Like, who decided? Like, if no one like shaved a horse's mane, would a horse be just fully furry like its mane, or do people shave the manes, or are they just things that happen? I'm sorry, I got sidetracked there. Just seeing that horse's hairdo. Those goddamn trees. Oh, here it is. Can it possess a horse? Watch a branch. You're gonna get knocked off by a branch. Where's his chainsaw then if he's got a metal hand now? How's he gonna put his chainsaw on? Oh, it's right on him. Branch. Always a branch. Oh, it's on your waist. Where's your chainsaw gone? You had hold of it 2 seconds ago. And now you have hold of it again. And we're back in some sort of cabin. Screaming goes on so necessarily long. And you thought you were going to get a minute. Oh no. So this is like it's going to be the rest of the movie is just him in this shed-like thing now. Why? 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 There's loads of little U's. There's loads of little U's.
Ramming speed! All of you! Oh, you little bastards!
Well, that's not going to be great. Oh, God! What the hell is happening? Oh!
It's growing bigger!
Bruce Campbell is fucking the one. Oh my God. We are Siamese, if you please.
I'm blind. I'm blind.
Oh my God. This is the best thing ever.
What argue mean?
He's got a real hand.
I'm bad, Ash. And you're good, Ash. Laying a goody two shoes. Laying a goody two shoes.
Shoot him! This is very Larry, Curly and Moe. Yeah. Not so good then. He would blow you away.
I ain't that good.
Yep, there you go. Oh, shit. It's like gremlins, don't feed him after midnight. Why does he need to lock him up? Didn't he just shoot him in the face? I love the fan thing that... But you couldn't saw your girlfriend, but can you saw yourself? I'm going to assume he did, in fact, cut himself up. That was like the best scene out of the trilogy so far, was them two. it just...
You shall never retrieve the Necronomicon. I'll come back for you.
Come on, boy.
That was so much fun. We've been on quite an adventure, Ash. There it is. The Necronomicon. The Necronomicon. It looks nothing like it did. Oh, there's more than one. Why are there 3 of them? Take all of them.
Hold it. Nobody said anything about 3 books.
Just take them all.
Then he never said anything about this.
So take all 3 of them. Okay, don't take them all. It's class. Here we've got into full slapstick territory now. The horror's just kind of gone. Is the horror just gone? Yeah. Just open it, step back. Open it, step back. Is that the right one? I guess maybe that's not the right one. Yeah, don't open that one again.
Seems fairly obvious.
Well, does it though?
Klaatu, Barada,
Nikto?
Definitely an N-word.
It was Nikto, I think. Necto? Ah, shit. See, even I said I wouldn't be able to remember it. Necto.
Miranda!
That's not how it works! That is not how it works. I love that though. It's something I would try. Yeah, it's like very Indiana Jones. You're probably gonna get chased by a giant boulder now. Run! Something is amiss. He said the words wrong. Or he didn't say them at all. He just kind of... There's a lot of grabbiness in these movies.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Where'd you go? Oh, it's a god. Oh, hi, Horsey. Let's go.
I did my part. Now I want back. Like in the deal.
Well, hopefully they'll send you back then. Oh. Oh. Badash is back. Yeah, Badash is back, but he looks a lot different this time. It's all the minutes of decay, you see.
He's brought the Necronomicon!
Did they mean to rhyme then? Truly, he's the promised one. He's brought the Necronomicon. Put a dunk on it.
Basically, I said him, yeah.
Dung-eating fool! Thou hast doomed us all!
Yeah.
You said that you could clean this mess up once you got that book.
Yeah.
As we are men of our word, we shall honor our bargain.
When do you think we can start with all the thing in the...
The wise men were fools to trust in you.
I mean, to be fair, why would you want to stay and possibly die?
Sheila, don't you get it? It's over. I didn't have what it took.
Girls go down to Sheila's wheels.
Cripes, I don't belong here.
Go with him.
Well, that's just what we call pillow talk, baby. That's all.
I know her face.
I still believe that thou wilt stay and save us.
Well, maybe you shouldn't. I mean, he's obviously got to, but still. At this moment in time, maybe you shouldn't. Oh, it's the Bat Creature!
Sheila!
You're gonna hit Sheila.
Damn you!
Damn you all to hell! Now he's gonna have to go and get her.
I'll pick up a shovel and get digging!
Okay.
On the wench!
They're talking with no vocal cords. Ridiculous. Is he still... Oh yeah, it's still Evil Ash.
We got plans for you, girly girl!
Oh God. Lovely.
Hey, get his oars!
Get his horse.
Go ahead and run. Run home and cry to Mama.
Are all men from the future loud-mouthed braggarts?
Nope.
Just me.
Just me, baby.
Just me, baby.
We are but 60 men.
Have you ever seen the film 300?
Who's with me?
Tumbleweed. Tumbleweed.
Your swords by his side!
I'm with you!
And then that other guy, the army, the Red Army guy. And the army, the Red Army guy, get him as well. No! No, he's possessed her.
I may be bad, but I feel good.
Yeah, well, you don't look it.
I know you're scared. We're all scared.
I'm terrified.
Straight now.
Oh, they're using the car. Coca-Cola Classic, sponsored. So we've got 2 days to prep. What is he making? Like a tank? Yeah, just hold it over the candle. Hold the gunpowder over a candle. Where did he get like the qualifications to do all this? Don't he work at S-Mart? What are they teaching people at S-Mart? I need a job at S-Mart. Is it still a thing? This was 1993, I think. I was 1 or a couple of months old, depending. I was probably a couple of months old. It is an army. It'd be pretty shit if it was the Army of the Dead and it was like 1 guy and 5 soldiers. I mean, didn't they ask for all the soldiers they could use? But apparently they're using the skulls as drums, so those soldiers aren't going to be in battle because they're drums. I love this, like, it's like a mix of puppetry and stop motion.
Let's give him what for.
At least I assume. There's definitely stop motion in there. Puppetry, I'm going to assume. Because although those are clearly many costumes. Look at what they're dancing on his way, like, yeah, we got this. We got this. He's like, right, I got you all prepped, send me home. You can all take it from here. So is he still Evil Ash? Is that Bruce Campbell still?
Forward! Forward! Cry havoc and let
The puppet on the back of the bloody horse, like, bouncing around. Oh.
Death to the mortals!
Oh yeah, because that doesn't make you immortals then? What about the poor horses? Yeah, don't leave them on there too long. I'm assuming they're explosive arrows then. Cutting it close.
Steady.
Steady! You're gonna kill yourselves!
Advance, you beast! Advance!
Nice, nice.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! You bastard!
From the south.
Is he now Sire? Nice, nice. Ooh! He'll only give you a little, like, lovely tap.
Sally fuck! Sally fart!
Stop motion! Yay! We've not completely lost it. I wonder if the remake will have any stop motion. I'm probably doubting it. Because I'm assuming the budget was there for more than stop motion.
Oh, that's got it!
This reminds me of a Scary Movie, Scary Movie 2. And it's like, Cindy, this is Bones! Oh no! We've had our first casualties. So if they kill them, could they then technically recruit them to join their undead army because they're dead now? Because that'd be like unlimited soldiers. It'd be like zombies. If a zombie kills someone, they become a zombie. I mean, it worked for all of A millisecond.
Protect the book!
God save us all.
Yeah, I was good. Wait, bring that other team, the red guys. That's class. That's class. I love what they've done there. No, she's possessed. Don't kill her though, because she might be able to be saved, maybe, when you get the book and do the things. Oh no! And then now she's destroyed the car, she'll be a demon again now, you see. You fool! You fool! Yeah. Oh, you kicked her into the pit. Yeah, I was gonna say, to be fair, they're still just bones.
Right, you can manage men to come.
Yeah, I thought they would.
Yes, sir.
Turns out they're here to, like, kill you as well.
Oops.
Oops, my bad.
Where'd he go? Hey.
Come back, you bastard! I'll bite your legs off. Honestly, who trained him? Like, how did he know how to do all this as a shopkeeper person? As a retail assistant? How'd you get out of that bloody pit?
You got real ugly.
How dare you! Yeah, forget about her, to be fair. He's going for the book.
Wanna play rough, eh?
Well, I mean, a fight to the death would be considered rough, I would assume. Oh yeah, thank God for the bloody metal hand. Jesus.
You're going down.
Downtown. I thought he threw him off then. I was like, oh my God. It has become something of a parody of itself, this movie, hasn't it? Excuse me! I'm sorry. Oh, nice.
Spoil those good looks.
I mean, to be fair, he spoiled Jaws. The music has stopped and now it's just like pure fighting. Tally-ho! Is she back? Oh no, he's back.
I got a bone to pick with you.
Phrasing. It's the stop motion, I love it. That's the big one. Bye, Felicia. Wow. With explosive results.
Get the hell out of here!
Oh my God. So is she dead now? Have you killed her? Or is now she like magic? Even though you stabbed her and threw her off a building, she's magically okay. But everyone else that got possessed melted away. Except for you.
Ricky wants them to fight you, boys!
Groovy. They came to help you for Jesus. What? Alright. besties now for some reason. I mean, I suppose common enemy.
Once you drink this liquid and recite the words
correctly this time. Nikto. Nikto. Necto? Is he gonna get the words wrong? Why can't she go with him? And who is she? It's annoying me. Is he going to be back at work, but with one hand missing?
To teach them to be king.
Did you say the words right this time?
I know him as well, his face.
Every single tiny little syllable, no, but basically I said them, yeah.
What? Oh, for God's sake. Say the words right, for God's sake. Shop smart. Shop S-smart.
Name's Ash. Housewares.
I'll swallow your soul!
Come get some.
Fucking trampoline! Oh, I thought it was going to end with her jumping at him and after him saying, come get some. I thought it was going to end with the come get some.
Hail to the king, baby.
I thought he was going to say groovy. Yeah, so who played her? Embeth Davids. I knew I recognised her. She's fucking from Matilda. Bridget Fonda. Bridget Fonda was in this? Okay, so that was Army of Darkness. I mean, it went so different to the last movies. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, but only because honestly that slapstick humor was hilarious. My favourite scene out of all three of them was when he had the guy growing out of him, evil Ash growing out of himself. That was hilarious. It literally started as like horror, and then the next one was like horror comedy, and then that just went into full-blown comedy territory. So it kind of like down itself in regards to its genre. But no, I enjoyed that. I liked what it was. I knew I recognised that woman. I didn't realise it was Embeth Davids or whatever her name is from bloody 13 Ghosts and Matilda. But I knew I recognised the face though. I said when I seen her. Bridget Fonda was in that. Bridget Fonda was in that as Linda. Didn't know that. But no, it's nice that Sam Raimi stuck to the movies. Bruce Campbell and Sam Raimi together in the movies. Now, I'm going to assume that the remake is going to be purely horror, because that's what they tend to do. I can't imagine it being comedy horror. When they remake because the original was horror itself, so I'm assuming if it's going to be a remake of the original, it's just going to be pure horror. But no, I like that little Sam Raimi trilogy of them. I wonder if Sam Raimi and Bruce Campbell have anything to do with the remake. I'm going to assume maybe like it'd be like an executive producer kind of thing with Sam Raimi, because that tends to be where they go when it's something remade of their works. But no, so yeah, Army of Darkness. A lot of puppetry in that. A lot of stop motion, as expected. And honestly, it just gets more far-fetched each time, and I love it. Hail to the king, baby. So yeah, next week is the Evil Dead remake, which I believe was also 2013. But for now, if you like this video, don't forget to click that like, subscribe, turn on a little bell notification so you're notified when we post, which should be once a week. And we will see you next time.